Let's discuss problem based upon whatever just we discussed. Indirectly in this we are learning what? Solution of linear equations. That's these are the equations, we have to find the solution for this by using matrix concepts. Already we said solution of linear equations we are using here indirectly to apply the matrices concepts we are using. That is application of matrices is this topic. But you will ask the solution by using our whatever the topics, that is inverse matrix, Gauss Jordan or Commerce rule. By using that you have to say the answer. Already we said I won't use these methods. Simply we can say the solution. For suppose this type of questions is given. He given the equations is also given solution. Very easy. From this topic you will get one question. Like this you will get one question. In matrices 5 marks you will get. In 5 marks you will get one question type. Like this. Type. You are going to get this type of question. 1. Indirectly given the equation, he asked the solution. He given solutions also, he given the question. Question based this solutions could ichindi. Solution and which satisfies the equation, those are going to be solution. If you know this word, this statement, you can say answer directly. Nothing is there. That's the technique here. Simple. If question is answer is no need of any method. For suppose he will give the question like by using Commerce rule, what is the solution of this equation? He will give options. Commerce rule and first A determined. The A is nothing but quotient matrix. That is delta. Then after delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, 3 matrices you have to write. You have to find the determinant for each and every matrix. You are going to get delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Delta 1 by delta is going to be x. Delta 2 by delta is going to be y. Delta 3 by delta equal to z. This is a very essay type question, 5 marks. But here 1 mark. But he is asking Commerce rule. Commerce rule kanavadadu kada ani Commerce rule మొత్తం చేసుకుంటూ టైం అయిపోద్ది. Commerce rule అడిగింది ఏంటిది? సొల్యూషన్. సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటిది? విచ్ సాటిస్ఫై. సింపుల్గా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. అక్కడ కామర్స్ రూల్ అన్నాడు కానీ మన ఎగ్జామ్లో మన పక్కకి సీసీ కెమెరాలు పెట్టలేగా. నువ్వు కామర్స్ రూల్ ఏతనమా ఏదలే వాడికి కావాల్సిందే సొల్యూషన్. ఆన్సర్ చెప్తే అయిపోయి ఎట్లా చెప్తే రైట్. విచ్ సాటిస్ఫై. ఐఎమ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్స్ హియర్. Which satisfies that going to be your answer. 7x plus 5y minus 13z plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి చిన్న ఉంది ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే లిటిల్ బిట్ ఈజీ. 3x minus y plus z equal to 2. By substituting very easy. Just we'll check for this one. Then after we'll take other value. Right. Now I am substituting this option. First option here. That is 3 into 1. Wherever x is there you have to substitute y. 1 j y plus 2 z plus 3. Now substitute చేస్తే 3 minus 2 y plus 2 z plus 3 plus 3. What is the answer? Is going to be minus 2. 6 minus 2 is nothing but what? 4. But here we got 2. That's why this option is not going to be. If we substitute here 3 into 2 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 3 plus 1 4. Mala once again it is not going to be our answer. I am checking directly here. I am checking, I am not writing here. If you want you can write also 3 into 1 3 minus 3 z plus 2 plus 2. You got 2. That is your answer is going to be also 2. Satisfied. That's why this is going to be answer. Let's see other value also. Sometimes it is also going to be satisfied. Then what is the procedure? We'll see. 3 into 2 6 minus 1 plus 2. It's not equal to 2. You can check 8 minus 1 7 not equal to 2. That's why it is not satisfied. That's why it is not answer. Only once is going to be satisfied. This whatever the values are there, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 2. If you substitute in these two equations also you are going to get values that it's going to be satisfied. If you want you can check. Okay, we are following the same procedure for these also. Why? Because the given equation, given options. Simply by substituting you will get answer. Now check. This is very easy equation. Simplification is going to be easy. 1 minus 3 plus 2. 3 minus 3 0. Ikkada undi 7. It is not going to be your answer. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 6. You are going to get here 7. It is also not going to be answer. 1 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 1 7. Okay 7 వచ్చింది. Okay we'll check this one also. Minus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 8 minus 1 7. అగో ఇది కూడా వచ్చింది. వస్తే let's check in other equation. Now check in this. Okay, this one. These two are eliminated, right? Now I am checking these two. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. Satisfied. Now check this one. Minus 1 plus 8, 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12, 19. మరి ఇక్కడ ఉంది 16. It is not going to be your answer. Only third is going to be your answer. Same concept, but he given equations here. Indirectly given what? Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is nothing but what? Simply you are going to get this total equations by using augmented matrix. That is, you can write the equation x plus y plus z equals to 2. A1, B1, C1, D1. X plus y plus z equal to 2. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 1. 3x plus y minus 5z equals to 4. You can write the equation. If you are writing equation, by substitute the values in equation, you will get an answer. Now check. This equation is very easy. X plus y plus z equals to 2. Now check. Come on. 3 plus 1 plus 1. 5. It is going to be 2. It is not going to be your answer. 5 not equals to 2. 4 minus 3 plus 1. 5 minus 3. 2 వచ్చింది. Okay. Let's see other values. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 is not going to be 2. It is not answer. 7 minus 10 plus 4. 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 is going to be 1. It is also not going to be answer. Only 1 satisfying. You can check here also. 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 3. 1 వచ్చిందా? Whatever the solution is there, that will satisfy all three equations. If he given anything also, if finding the solution by using Cramer's rule, Gauss-Jordan method or inverse matrix, if he is saying anything but he given options means, solution means simply by checking you are going to get. Very easy. This is the trick you have to use if this type of question is given. If in the options you are getting the solution, simply by substitute you will get an answer. That is going to say. But we should have some knowledge on whatever just we are studying. That's why whatever the procedure, whatever the concepts, based upon that also you are going to get in the questions. You can see in a synopsis and bits also. Okay, then you will get an understanding. If you are getting any doubts, you can contact by using our chat room. Okay, let's see other problems. Let's see in this question. Let's see these questions. See in this question he given 3 equations and he is saying the system has, it is having infinity solutions or exactly 3 solutions or unique or no solution. Observe the options here. We are having no unique solution. When you will get unique solution from the answer we are learning here. See, when you will get unique solution means if you write the coefficient matrix for this equation, if coefficient matrix determinant not equal to 0, you will get unique solution. If you are getting determinant equal to 0, you will get no solution and also infinity number of solutions also. The 2 options are existed. If you are getting determinant not equal to 0 by finding determinant for A, if you are getting not equal to 0, no problem, only one option you can. For suppose, if you got determinant equal to 0, you can't decide either infinity or no solution, you can't decide. For that, we given what? Echelon form of a matrix. We will write the augmented matrix for this matrix, then we will convert into echelon form by using elementary transformation. By using the elements in echelon form, we will say answer is going to be what? We can say this one also, this one also, this one also. It can't be, right? Right. Now write the quotient matrix first, that is 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Next in this matrix, that is 2, 3, 3. Next in this 3, 5, 2. Coefficient matrix, that is constant matrix 3, 3, 1. You can write directly also 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 2, 1. Now, I am applying here indirectly, that is what? Augmented matrix, right? By using this row, this is what? Row number 1. This is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. I am changing by row number 1, I am changing row number 2, row number 3. Here 2 is there, here 1. Here 3 is there, here 1. What I am doing means indirectly here R2 tends to R2. R2 is nothing but 2 minus 2 R1. And also I am changing R3 also. R3 is what? R3 minus R3 minus here 1 is there, that's why I am multiplying with 3. Now write simply R2 minus 2R1. If you multiply R1 with 2, 2, 4, 2, 6 you will get. The elements are going to be, new elements are going to be 2, 4, 2, 6. Now R2 minus 2R1, come on tell me R2 minus 2R1, that is first row is not going to be changed as it is row number 2 is changing, that is 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. New elements 2, 4, 2, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Next 3 minus 4, why? Because 2 are 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Next R2 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 1. Next 3 minus 6 minus 3. Next R3 once again same, new row is going to be 3, 6, 3, 9. Right, 3 minus 3 0. 3 minus 3 0. Next 5 minus 6 minus 1. Next 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 9 minus 8. It is not going to be echelon form. You have to do this element as also 0. By using R2 only you have to do. Why? Because R1 in place of first element is going to be 1. It can't going to be 0. First you have to get here 0. That's why you have to use R2. I am using that. R3 tends to R3 minus R3 is 0. Minus here minus 1 is minus 1. Here if you do minus 1 plus 1 is going to be 0. That's why I am taking a minus only. R2 minus of minus 1 is going to be, will get 0. That is 1, 2, 1, 3. Next 0 minus 1, 1 minus 3 as it is. Next R3 0 minus 3 minus 0 0. R3 minus R2 minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Now see, this is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, 0, 0, P8, P9. It is not going to be 0. That means first one, P8 not equal to 0. Answer is going to be unique. If you check determinant for this one also, you will get directly. But by writing these 2 steps very easy, within 2 steps you will get an answer. To understand you people, I written everything. If you know everything, you can write directly.